Investing is important, but you also have a budget. So what's that perfect balance? How much should you spend on video for your Catholic nonprofit? To give you a ballpark, a DIY video will cost several $100s in equipment and personnel time. Hiring a professional for a 3 to 5 minute video could cost anywhere from $500 to a few $1,000s. Now, whether those numbers scare you or excite you, you must put them into context. You can't afford to waste money on a video that you could have done yourself, but you also can't afford to cheap out on a video that could have enabled your org to start a new program. Determine what the video is worth to your organization before you set the budget. In concrete numbers, how many views do you expect and what will each view do? Use historical data. For example, maybe you know that 1 out of every 100 people exposed to your organization will donate, or you expect 1 out of every 50 parents to schedule a tour of your private school. Give some concrete numbers to set a budget, and you can be confident that you are neither spending too much or too little on your video production. Like and subscribe to get more mission-driven marketing tips, and let us help you to grow your outreach with video.